Bullish Zilliqa cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 8 cents and 18 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept ZIL could reach 8 cents by 2025. Bearish Zilliqa market cost expectation for 2022 is 1 cent. Zilliqa presentation. As of late, Zilliqa stirred up the digital money local area when it uncovered the presentation of Metapolis, a pristine metaverse project. The send-off of this new stage could push Zilliqa into the main 50 digital currencies by market valuation and reinforce its remaining as one of the main cryptographic money drives. Normally, a ton of financial backers are presently zeroing in on ZIL, the task's local utility coin. What will happen to its estimating from here on out? Is it an insightful speculation as long as possible? Find more about this in our Zilliqa cost forecast. This Zilliqa forecast isn't expected to act as speculation exhortation. Do your own examination prior to putting resources into any advanced resource, please. What is Zilliqa? Singapore is home to the blockchain network Zilliqa. Prior to making its own blockchain, it originally utilized Ethereum. They expect to invigorate and modify advanced framework across numerous overall organizations and networks, as per their site. By using their silicon smooth, speedy, and practical blockchain, they need to accomplish this. Sharding, a strategy that bows to build the versatility of blockchain, is one of Zilliqa's key qualities. It likewise utilizes the Scilla programming language and useful Byzantine adaptation to internal failure. Moreover, it has its own administration token, called gzil, and non-custodial marking. Zilliqa Principal Investigation. ZIL has a significant innate worth that makes it an important utility token. How about we take a gander at the undertaking it controls and survey it from that point? A blockchain stage called Zilliqa looks to construct an environment of decentralized applications. It goes head-to-head against networks like Ethereum, Tron, and EOS in that undertaking. To acquire a benefit over rivals, Zilliqa executed sharding, what partitions its center foundation into numerous blockchains and significantly accelerates exchanges. These blockchains are completely interconnected. The Zilliqa organization's local token, ZIL, is utilized to manage exchanges, complete brilliant agreements, and to compensate and rouse all organization clients. Hence, the ZIL token will continuously have characteristic worth as long as Zilliqa projects are in activity. Zilliqa Specialized Investigation. Will the ZIL blockchain's latest upgrades, augmentations, and changes assist the cost of digital currencies with rising? The General Strength File is a device that decides whether a resource is oversold, overbought, or moving unequivocally. It has a size of 0 to 100. A RSI somewhere in the range of 50 and 70 shows that it is in areas of strength for the zone. Zilliqa S and 30-day moving midpoints show that ZIL will move in a positive course long-term since the 90-day moving normal is higher than the 30-day moving midpoint. Long-haul financial backers may in this way recover a portion of the cash they had lost to the crypto winter in earlier weeks. Zilliqa current cost. Zilliqa is at present worth 1 cent USD. ZIL has moved 0.05% as of now with an exchanging volume of $10,808,679. Zilliqa is at present positioned 85 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $298,782,438 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Zilliqa to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Zilliqa market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Zilliqa Value Expectation 2022. Zilliqa, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The ZIL cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 2 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 2 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. ZIL is supposed to have a base worth of 2 cents. Zilliqa Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Zilliqa ZIL cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ZIL will before long outperform 4 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the ZIL's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ZIL will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 3 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 4 cents. Zilliqa Value Expectation 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 6 cents and ZIL might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ZIL is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 5 cents and a low of 5 cents in 2024. Zilliqa Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Zilliqa effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the ZIL coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ZIL will be green in 2025. The ZIL is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 8 cents, with a base cost of 7 cents and a typical cost of 7 cents. Zilliqa Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ZIL cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 9 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 9 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ZIL has a most extreme value worth of 10 cents. Zilliqa Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 11 cents. On the off chance that ZIL figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 12 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help ZIL needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 11 cents. Zilliqa Value Expectation 2028. While ZIL is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 13 cents and a yearly cost close above 14 cents in 2028. Zilliqa Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Zilliqa will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 14 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 15 cents, averaging out at 15 cents. Zilliqa Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Bitcoin wisdom makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ZIL cost in 2030 is projected to be 18 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 17 cents. And, albeit the ZIL conjecture's AI and cost expectation calculation has been successful, the applications here are quite restricted. The estimating of ZIL coins are impacted by a great many factors, remembering progressions for innovation, inward competition, market strain to convey, financial difficulties, security concerns, protection regulations, political impacts, and responses to late news, among others. What is the Zilliqa cost today? Today, Zilliqa is exchanging at 1 cent with a complete market capitalization of $298,782,438. Is Zilliqa a wise venture? Zilliqa ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that ZIL is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Zilliqa at any point go? The typical cost of Zilliqa might potentially reach 2 cents this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Zilliqa might outperform 12 cents. What amount will Zilliqa be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising fame of cryptographic money and Zilliqa, a drawn